me, those bean meatballs are a winner. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video of our 30-day series. If you did, I would be forever grateful if you would share it so we can get the word out about this series. We really wanted to do well because we worked so hard on it for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos every day this month. Remember to also subscribe for free to our new website at mindovermunch.com and check out our 30-day email course and new bento ebook with all of these recipes. New subscribers receive a discount code in their email and are entered to win a food processor. See you tomorrow, friends, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.